How to turn off offers notification on Grubhub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off offers notifications on Grubhub. So if you're getting annoyed by the constant offer notification by Grubhub, this is what you'll have to do. First, open up the app. And after you open up the app, make sure you're logged in. Then head over to the account section on the bottom right. Scroll down a bit and there you'll find push notifications. Tap on push notifications. Then right there you'll find the offers section. Simply turn that off. Toggle the button off, and after you do that, you're basically good to go. You have disabled the offer notification on Grubhub app itself. And yeah, it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.